Here we got a 1932 Ford Roadster. Got a flathead V8 in there, as it should be. No small block Chevy or nothing. Got the Ford flathead V8. That's what it says here. Genuine moon spun open disc up front. Authentic pie crust cheater slicks mounted on vintage US Indy mags on the rear. The inside has full complement of original non-reproduction Stuart Warner gauges. Wow, that's cool. Vintage champion cast aluminum dash panel. Should be reading this from my reading glass so I can read it fast enough. Damn it. Anyway, you got your shifter, 4-speed on the floor. Louvers on the trunk. It's a nice ride, man. So, Smitty glass packs, and the transmission's a T10 4-speed. There's sliders going in. A 4-link mounted rear, Ford rear. Of course, I put my reading glass on. I can read it freaking like lightning. As long as we're not smudged too bad. For sale is this beautiful black 1932 Ford Roadster with the correct first two numbers of the VIN. Whatever that means. Oh, I mean, that means it's not fake or nothing. Much so after first generation steel reinforced Gibbons body with rumble seat trunk. Boot? What is that? Root lip? Oh, root leaf lowered steel hood. Louvered Henry Ford steel side panels not shown in the car pictures. Henry Ford steel grill shell with stainless steel grill. Custom rod tops, convertible top with zip. Outside curtain windows goes off and on in the minutes. $4,000 option. The engine is one of the famous flathead Jacks high performance 51 Merc flatheads from California. A magnificent piece of eye candy with Offenhauser heads. Offenhauser polished 3.2 intake manifold carb system. Ford Holly 2100 3.2 barrels has Mallory Unilite distributor, MSD coil, new chrome alternator, custom built Sanderson ceramic headers with cutouts feeding in a custom exhaust system with Smitty glass packs, transmissions of T10 4-speed with Hurst shifter going into a 4-link mounted Ford rear end, 32 Ford frame, boxed, rails are boxed and cross-membered. Genuine moon spun aluminum disc. I already had that, told that about that, so you really can't get this and build this for this price, and if I put my reading glasses on I could read a hell of a lot faster so I could see better, but can't wait till my vision's going to go back all the way. It'll be kind of cool. Did improve a lot. At least I can read it, but not as good as reading glasses. Man, you couldn't build this car for what he's asking for, $37,500.